I am Mr. Timmons, the carpentry instructor at Worcester Technical High School. The Introduction to Carpentry course is available to the 10th, 11th, and 12th grade students. During the year-long NCCER carpentry program, students will learn about both residential and commercial construction industries. The majority of our focus is based around the demands that we have locally in the form of residential construction, remodeling, and light commercial work. During the carpentry course, topics will be covered that prepare students to be successfully employed as an entry-level carpenter or teach them the needed skills to complete preventative maintenance and repairs as a homeowner. The carpentry program aims to familiarize students who have had no prior carpentry experience with the tools, materials, and knowledge of the trade. Areas that will be covered include, but are not limited to, orientation to the trade and safety, building materials, fasteners and adhesives, hand and power tools, introduction to construction drawings, specifications and layout, floor systems, wall systems, ceiling joist and roof framing, and basic stair layout. A few of the projects that we have built in the past are docks for a marine biology class, a gazebo for a local park, picnic tables for the Assateague National Park, benches for local restaurants, nesting boxes for ducks, and storage sheds. Come build your future at Worcester Tech.
Hi, my name is Shelley Mason and I'm one of the counselors here at Worcester Tech. By now you've been introduced to over 20 programs. We'd like to invite you to learn about the remaining programs at our website. There you'll find detailed information, course descriptions, and further instructor videos that will assist you on fully understanding what the Worcester Tech experience is all about. So what's next? Well, what we'd like to do is help you determine what pathway is for you. Maybe you've already done that, but most students don't have any idea which career direction they want to take. So this is such an important part of your educational process that we've actually provided a tool to help you do that on our website. So there you'll see a tab called Parent and Student Resources, and under that you'll see College and Career Planning. And there you'll find a planning exploration activity, and it's filled with tools and resources that will help you determine what parts of your personality and your interests and strengths match what careers. And then there's also research tools there where you can type in any career and it'll tell you anything you possibly want to know about that. So once you've done those activities there, you hopefully will have some clarity about the direction that you're going in. The next resource that's there is a tool called High School Planning, High School Course Planning Sheet. And what that will help you do is to keep your end goal in mind and use your high school experience and your plan of study to meet that goal. So hopefully you'll find those tools valuable. If you work through those tools and you find that one of our programs here at Worcester Tech are for you, we will be delighted. And then you're probably asking, so what do I do now? Well, registration for a course here at Worcester Tech is easy. If you're an 8th grader presently, there's a link and a QR code at the end of this presentation, and you'll utilize that. However, if you're presently a 9th grade, 10th grade, or an 11th grade student, you'll simply make your request on your course request sheet that your high school counselor will give you. Now, sometimes those requests are made through PowerSchool, and you'll do the same thing. You'll just choose those courses for that program, and then that summer will take care of the rest for you. So I hope this was helpful. Regardless of what pathway you choose to take, we here at Worcester Tech would be delighted to help you. Please feel free to reach out to us, and we wish you the best.